In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Wix. We'll walk through this process together, step by step, ensuring that, by the end, you'll be ready to dive into building your website. To get started, navigate to the Wix.com sign-up page. This is your first step on the journey to bringing your online presence to life, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the page. Ensuring you're on the correct site is crucial, as you'll be sharing some personal details. Once you have done that, you'll need to decide on a sign-up method. Wix provides you with a few options here, allowing you to register using your email, Google account, or even through Facebook. Choose the option that suits you best, and go ahead and enter the necessary details. This typically includes your email address, a password, and in some cases, agreeing to Wix's terms and services. Once you're set, click the Sign Up button to create your account. It's an exciting moment as you're officially on your way to building your website. With your account created, Wix now offers you two main pathways to start building. One option is to harness the power of the AI website builder. This is an excellent choice if you're looking for something quick, intuitive, and tailored to your specific needs. On the other hand, if you prefer more control over design and layout, you can explore the vast array of templates available. These templates range across different themes and styles, providing a solid foundation for customization. Take some time to explore these options and experiment a little. Your website is a reflection of you or your business, so make sure it aligns with your vision. Once you've built and customized your website to your satisfaction, it's time for the big moment: publishing your site. Hitting that publish button sets your creation live on the internet for the world to see. But building the site is just the beginning. To truly succeed, leveraging Wix's marketing tools will be crucial in driving traffic to your site. Wix offers several marketing features designed to help boost your visibility online. Whether it's SEO optimization, social media integration, or email marketing, these tools are incredibly valuable in ensuring your website reaches its intended audience. And there you have it. You've applied for Wix, created your account, started building your site, and even learned how to promote it effectively. It's a process that opens up a world of possibilities for sharing your story or business online. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, every big achievement starts with that first step. So go ahead, explore those possibilities, and most importantly, have fun creating your digital space with Wix.